Everybody, we're going to talk a little bit more about sleep. So most of you probably remember this from your, I guess it would be a biology class back in high school or maybe college. Anyway, there are 5 stages of sleep. Sleep 1 through 4, and then REM sleep. So 1 through 4 are non-REM categories, and then REM sleep. So obviously, stage 1, stage 2, those are pretty much your light sleep when you're first drifting off, starting to doze off. And then as you get into stage 2, your breathing and heartbeat slows down and your muscles start to relax. And then when we get into the deep sleep, that's the important part of sleep. Deep sleep and REM sleep are the 2 important pieces. The light sleep categories are kind of your transitionary sleep. Anyway, deep sleep. Your breathing and your heart rate, your temperature, and your brain waves are at the lowest levels. So stage 3 and 4 are both deep sleep. Your muscles relax, and usually it's harder to wake you up if you're in that sleep. So how much deep sleep should you get? If you're sleeping 8 hours, between 1 to 2 hours is optimal. That's stage 4 when your body is repairing itself, basically. So you're regrowing, tissues grow and are repaired. Your hormones are released to go in and do what they do best. And then cellular energy is restored. Part of stage 4 sleep is this glymphatic drainage. So that happens in stage 4. And glymphatic drainage is a new system that was discovered. I'm not saying lymphatic. This is glymphatic. So the glymphatic is how your brain detoxes all the damaged cells and any toxins that are floating around in there. And it goes through basically and cleans that up during this deep sleep. So if you're not getting deep sleep, you're not getting a full detoxification. As your glymphatic system drains, it does go into your lymphatic system, which is how it exits your body. We'll talk more about the lymphatic system and drainage and all that stuff. But it's important to know that glymphatic drainage is important during deep sleep because that's kind of what resets your brain. And then, of course, REM sleep, we all know that's important as well. That's where that's people call it the dream state. So that's where your eyes flicker, your heart rate goes up, and you are in a lighter state of sleep. And that is it. The optimal for that, if you're getting 8 hours sleep, is about 2 hours. So total, from what I've heard, if you're getting about 3 hours combined of deep and REM sleep, that's good for the average healthy person. So anyway, hopefully that clarifies in case you needed a refresher on the sleep, the biology of sleep, so to speak. Anyway, hopefully that's interesting to you. I might post this article because it kind of breaks it down really well, and maybe you'd be interested in reading it. If you're not, then you don't have to, of course. Anyway, talk to you later.